This is an ABC Action News tracking the Tropics update.
Sponsored by these valued partners.
Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Jason Adams with your Saturday morning tropical update. All eyes now on the Gulf of Mexico. A system we've been watching for the last several days is now unfortunately beginning to show signs of organization. The National Hurricane Center as of 8 a.m. showing that we have a 70% chance of this developing here over the next 2 days. It's this blob of showers and thunderstorms here in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico in the Bay of Campeche, just to the east of Tampico, Mexico. And unfortunately, it will likely move east-northeast. It's only got one direction to move over the next 4 to 5 days, because we have a cold front coming in from the northern states. And what that's going to do is block this from moving north. It's going to push it off to the east. And unfortunately, Florida is likely going to be in its way as we get into the middle of the week. So let's fast forward through time here Sunday evening, 6 p.m. Fast forward to Monday morning, starting to see more development with this. The intensity is still questionable as far as what this system will be once it gets to the west coast of Florida, as is where the exact landfall location is. We do know we have a system in the Gulf here in a few days, and we do know that it will impact the west coast of Florida. What we don't know is the intensity and the exact landfall location. So right now, we're looking at a system potentially as a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico. At a minimum, it looks like it would be a tropical storm by the time we get into Monday in the southern Gulf. The model consensus today showing the west coast of Florida clearly in play, anywhere from Cedar Key south to Key West. Over the next 2 days, we'll likely shrink that area and give you whether it would be more of northern sections of that forecast today or southern spots, maybe southwest Florida or even South Florida. The intensity still ranging, though, from, again, a tropical storm to a pretty strong hurricane. The models hopefully will start to get a clearer picture on what this system may be, how it looks when it gets here, and exactly where it will landfall as we go into the next couple of days. My takeaway today would be use this weekend to prepare for a potential tropical system, just so you don't have to worry about it here Monday, Tuesday, as so many of you are still continuing to be in Helene cleanup mode. I don't want you to not be prepared for the potential for another system coming in by the middle of the week next week. Of course, our team is on it. We'll keep you posted here on air, online, as well as streaming. And of course, on our social media channels, you can follow me on Instagram, the Florida Beach Bum, Twitter, our X. I am Jason Adams, WFTS. And on Facebook, I'm meteorologist Jason Adams. I'll be posting updates continuously through the weekend.